my line if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one this time. Override, always on my mind. Not alone, you're here with me. Call my line if you're
Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Finally in June, many new products have arrived at IKEA, so in this video I'm going to be one of the first to introduce the latest new products. IKEA is having a sale worldwide right now. While the details vary by country, you can find discounts on outdoor furniture, portable lights, and summer-themed fabrics. This time, I'll be introducing the new products that seem like they will be particularly popular and might sell out quickly. Here are the latest new products I purchased. This is just a small part of it. First, let me introduce this one, which I think sell out quickly. The wavy frame. The design is really cute, right? The material is aluminum, so it doesn't look cheap at all. It's not tacky, which I think is great. Of course, you can hang it on the wall, both vertically and horizontally. You can also place it vertically or horizontally. I haven't decided what to display in it yet, but it's affordable and looks like it will be very popular. Other items will be introduced in the second half of the video due to editing constraints. The summer-themed room set was so adorable, I had to show it. It might give you some ideas for redecorating. This throw was really nice, and it's priced at an amazingly low. The beige fabric and thin texture are great. Can you see the mixed fabric? It's thin, so it's perfect for this season. I bought this cushion cover, so I'll introduce it later. When you want to give your room a summer feel, IKEA is perfect, especially with cushion covers. They're cheap and can dramatically change the atmosphere of your room. This new item caught my attention with its textured fabric. The price is surprisingly low, and the fabric is light and perfect for summer. After much deliberation, I ended up buying this gauze fabric cushion cover. I chose the off-white color. But there's also a brown color available, which is equally beautiful. Since the tones are the same, they would look great together. I'll mention this later, but the fabric is the same as the blanket here. The soft fabric is really irresistible, perfect for summer. However, be careful when washing because the fringes can get quite wrinkled. I chose this color because I wanted to add more white for the summer. The fabric is fantastic. When you look at the website photos, it looks very white, but as you can see, it's not pure white. So, it should blend well with any room. In a previous video, someone commented asking to see more of IKEA's room sets, so I filmed some. Here are the latest room sets. Isn't the sofa adorable? This is the HYLTARP, with an uninterrupted seat for a clean look. Recently, there have been more new sofa products. I haven't seen them in person yet since they're very new. There are many variations, from single seat to different types. I'm really looking forward to seeing them in person and will make another video about them. This is a low table that can be lifted. It's handy when you need a bit more height. Nitori, a Japanese furniture company, also has such lift tables. The movement was very smooth. You can lift it with one hand. However, to lower it, you need to unlock it first. IKEA also has an amazing lift desk. It's not electric or hand cranked, but uses gas pressure. It's incredibly easy to use. I'll demonstrate it for you. Just push the lever and it lowers smoothly. It's just as easy to lift it. This is really revolutionary. This month, this towel is on special offer at IKEA Japan. It's a towel with a shark hood. It's very cute and I've wanted it for a while. I finally bought it because of the discount. It has fins and a tail, I think. It also has a loop for hanging. I washed and dried it in the machine. The lint was blue. I tore off the tag as usual. It came off cleanly. The face is embroidered, which is quite elaborate. My child loved it, but it was a bit different from what I expected. I thought it would look cuter, but it was so surreal that I laughed a lot. Since it's summer, why not get a new towel? You'll definitely stand out at the beach or pool. This is a relatively new blanket that I recommend. It has the same fabric as the cushion cover introduced earlier. The look is cute, but the texture is really nice. It's a gauze-like fabric, perfect for summer. You'll want to touch it all the time. There's another item I want to recommend that's on special this month. I bought it last year and really like it. One side is towel fabric and the other side is gauze-like. It's very thin, so it's easy to wash. This is how wrinkled it looks after washing. It's okay to dry it, but it can get quite wrinkled, so be careful. One side is regular fabric, not towel fabric, so it's also good as a bedspread. We have two single beds side by side, so it's not quite big enough for us, but it's great for a single bed. Please check it out while it's on special. A new bicolor basket has been released in IKEA's popular basket line, and it's white. It's so cute. You can fold it down and use it shallow like this. There's also a pink version. I have 3 or 4 of the regular ones. They're very handy for tossing in throws and such. Since they're made of natural materials, they have a bit of a basket smell. Next up is a fake plant. This will sell out quickly too. It's very affordable at 400 yen and super cute. Fake plants this size are really adorable, right? They're easy to display. This is an IKEA pot cover. A 9 cm pot cover fits perfectly. It's a bit tall and very charming. This price is unbeatable. Next is a storage box in a lovely lilac color. It's a new version of IKEA's classic TJENA box. It's made of paper, so it has a beautiful texture. Even though it's paper, it's quite sturdy. I think a box that lifts your spirits for this price is definitely worth it. I introduced the white one in a previous video about cheap shelves. It's perfect for storing manga and DVDs. Next time, I'll introduce more new purchases. See you in the next video soon. Thank you for watching until the end. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up.